What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Kobe Sneaks.
What are you doing?
What?
This is my channel.
Oh, sorry.
What's going on? Welcome back to Britany Kasjak. Today, we are doing something totally different. We are unboxing sneakers. Now, to give a little context, wait, something's not right here.
What?
Coffees?
We have coffee.
No.
Is it in focus?
What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today, we are going to be unboxing some pretty cool sneakers. And if you can't tell, just look at the mugs and just figure it out.
For those of you that don't know, I used to do a little bit of YouTube for sneaker related content. Not that much, but just here and there, some sneaker stuff. And I thought, why not unbox my latest pair of sneakers that I got from KITH? If it's not obvious, we're a little bit fans of KITH out here. Why not unbox my latest pair of sneakers, but get Britany to do all the heavy lifting, and I'll just sit here and maybe fact check some of the things that she says.
Well, when it comes to like sneakers, I feel like you're just so keen on everything.
That's okay.
Okay, so I don't know anything. I just picked it up downstairs in our mailbox. This is gonna be a lot harder than I thought. So I know they're collabed with KITH, and I'm assuming it's New Balance.
Correct.
Fabrique ou EU de
That's French. That's French.
There we go. Made in the US for over 75 years. Made.
That's
Okay.
fast. Let's see how much you know about the labeling.
So in this case, we have M992KB. That sounds really cool.
Mm-hmm.
I don't even know if there's anything behind that, but Josh has big feet. He usually is between like an 11 and 12, and apparently these are just in between 11 and a half.
It's one of the rare shoes that actually comes in 11 and a half.
Oh, is that true?
Yeah, it's always the 11 and a half is always 11 and a half men's is always the one size that you can't get in most sneakers. Most companies decide not to make it.
Okay, and it just says classic traditionals.
They're New Balance 992s, and essentially New Balance 992s are this year's most popular silhouette from New Balance. Last year it was the New Balance 990, arguably the V5 when the V5 came out. This year it is the 992, which is more of a retro sneaker, but with the chunky dad sole and the chunky look to the shoe, they kind of came back in popularity and blew up and had a bunch of collaborations. Really strong year for the 992 and New Balance as a whole.
Let's open the box.
Let's open it up.
For some reason, there's something about this, the top, that I just love, and I don't know why.
What do you love about it?
Like, just the word made. Like, is there history behind it or like anything like that?
So New Balance makes a certain collection of their shoes in the US, and those ones that are made in the US come in this box that say made in the US. Only the New Balances that are made in the US come in this box, and that's why they have that branding all over it.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Okay, so, oh my gosh. And for the moment that we've all been waiting for. Dun-dun-dun-dun.
And here is the shoe. Oh, it's recognizing my face. 1 second. Here is the shoe.
Okay.
Well,
Do you want to explain the history? Because I don't really know anything. I literally need to pull up my phone and...
Well, I won't explain the history. I'll tell you how this shoe came to be.
Wait, is this the 990s?
This is the 992. We just talked about that.
Ooh.
The model is called the 992. So this year, KITH and, well, Ronnie Feig, who is the founder of KITH, did a Christmas capsule with New Balance on the 992. There were 3 colorways. There was a red colorway, like a bright red. There was a teal blue, kind of the color of this mug, actually, which you can see accents of in this shoe. And then there was this one, which is called Reef, I think. It has a combination of whites, off-whites, burgundies, and this light teal blue, Tiffany blue color. I'm not sure why they did a Christmas capsule, but it was kind of an unexpected, unseen thing coming. And only customers that had previously purchased New Balance KITH shoes off the KITH website were eligible to buy them. And even one step further, you had to get an invite. So out of all of the KITH New Balance customers, me being one of them, there was a select group of people that got an email to enter a raffle for a specific size, and that raffle also had a pool of winners from that. So there was technically 2 tiers that you had to pass in order to buy these shoes. They weren't free. How raffles work is they just give you a chance to buy them. So I got a chance to buy these. They are pretty rare. They're not that exclusive and they don't have an extreme high resale value, but they are pretty rare because they will never have a public release. That being said, this is my favorite colorway out of all three of them, and it's my size, so I'm very tempted to get these on feet and try them out.
All right, let's get to it. So let's start with the upper part of this shoe. It is absolutely stunning. I love that there is the New Balance text logo, and then we have the beautiful KITH logo. And the KITH one really sparks out because it's on like this like shiny silvery material. I have no idea what it is. I'm assuming it is probably leather. But anyways, that is like the first thing that pops out to me when I just look at the top. Going in with the material, I see some pastel-y pink, a burgundy, a white, a very light teal on the shoe. So like right where the lace is, it has like this mesh tongue. Is it called a tongue?
Tongue.
Tongue.
Yeah. Mesh and suede.
Mesh and suede, and it combines the two like pinky colors, the burgundy and the pastel pink, which is absolutely stunning. Then when we go to the side of the shoe, we have again the New Balance logo on like a pebble leather or Safino leather.
I would just call it pebble.
Okay, so on the upper, we also have a bit of the suede along the New Balance logo. And then we do have some suede, kind of like the perimeter of the upper shoe.
Also done in the burgundy color.
Burgundy suede, absolutely stunning. And then on the heel, you can see that there is flag.
Flag.
Okay.
So there's KITH on the matching, just like the KITH logo on the tongue, there's a matching flag logo on the back heel. And in the exact same finish on the material on the lateral side of the shoe, we do have the 992 text logo on the back lateral side towards the heel.
Now going to the midsole.
Actually, wait, one more thing about the upper. One cool detail that I find is that the very last lace hole is actually done in a bright red color, which is a node to the other colors in this capsule. So it's cool that Ronnie didn't just make the colors individual. He kind of meshed, no pun intended, meshed all three of the colors intertwined in one another in some small way, shape, or form. Midsole.
Okay, looks like this. We have a little bit of like this gel form on the, what do you call that part of your foot?
Closer to the toe box.
Closer to the toe box. Kind of has like a mix of white and like this grayish cement color, along with another gel kind of platform on the bottom.
The biggest thing with the 992 midsole is that it is really thick. It takes up almost a third of the entire shoe height, which is quite a lot for any shoe, and that's why the 992 is so popular, is because this style of a chunky shoe is very in right now.
Okay, so the bottom. This caught my eye because usually a lot of shoes on the bottom are like very boring, but these have kind of a fun pattern. So we got the 992 in the red and blue. I'm assuming that's the style of the shoe with like the New Balance logo.
And it did come with a pair of extra teal colored laces. There is the burgundy color laces already installed in the shoe, but the teal ones are included
white?
in case you want to change it up. No, there wasn't any white
Yeah,
ones.
I swear it's in the box.
Oh yeah, and white, teal and white, so you can change those up as you see
ready.
fit. Baby did a great job. High five. So these are my latest pair of shoes. Obviously I wanted to get Britany involved with this video because it is her channel after all, to do a review of them for you and like kind of like a first look.
Alright guys, so if you have any questions about sneakers, comment down below and I'll make sure that Josh answers them because I'm probably not going to give the correct answer back. And I just wanted to say thank you so much for watching this video. It was so much fun to actually make this and be here with my boyfriend. And yeah, if you're in the sneaker world, please comment down below and don't forget to hit the notification bell.
Well,
Yay, I got it right. Yeah, so thank you so much for watching and can't wait to see you guys back. Mwah. Ciao, ciao.